Hi, this is Dana from RescueDogTreats.com, and I am here in Sofia and Stella's and Filbert garden, where the girls have been growing a garden for a little under a month, and they're ready to give us an update on it. Okay? Enjoy.
I have a strawberry and it's getting red. So, when I first got it was only green like this. But now, it grew. I got it so healthy that it was this big, and finally it got red a little bit. It was tiny, but I kept feeding it, and so it got so big. Like Sophie's zucchini. This big.
Stella's garden box.
I've been taking good care. I put some water inside, and I watched it grow. We watched each other's thing, and we watch if it goes too low, like this, because it's empty right now, or if it goes like this, or if it goes to perfect. But right now it's on empty. I have to water it.
Oh, okay.
Mine's on full. I would tell them how to plant them so they could get fresh food.
I agree. Sounds good. Planted
Well,
them?
when I first planted my tomato, it was about here. And after like 3 weeks, since it's been like 3 or 4 weeks, it's already almost to here. And when I planted it, I planted it and it was very small. And then on the first day, I was super excited. And I just couldn't stop being in the backyard to watch it because it was super interesting. And then I watered it every day to see where it was, because I'm not going to let it go over half empty. If it goes more than half empty, I better water it quickly. And so it's never gone over half empty because I take care of it. And I'm also trying to grow this little plant right here. I don't know which kind of seed it is in. I just found a seed. And I'm not sure if it is a seed, but I'm trying to water it. I think it might be a seed, but if it's not, I try. Well, I think maybe 6 to 11, because there's a lot of flowers right here, and if I don't mess with these flowers and the bees pollen them. Well, the flowers mean when the flowers fall off, then it means they're your fruit or veggie, whatever you're planting, like, for example, tomatoes, then they're gonna start to grow, and then when they're ready, like when they're red, then you can pick them off, wash them, and you can have them for dinner.
You like tomatoes?
Yes. In this one, I am growing some zucchini. And last year, we planted zucchini, and we had zucchinis like this big. And so now I'm planting zucchini, and these zucchini leaves are big, so I have a feeling I'm going to get like 1 or 2 kind of small zucchinis or something like that. And I think because like I see a lot of ladybugs on here, I think that means a good sign, and bees, that the bees are going to pollinate them, and then the flowers are going to grow healthier. Well, the bees land on the flower, and then with their tongue, they suck all the pollen, then they bring the pollen on their back, then they fly to the next flower and get it again, and about after 3 or 4 flowers, they come back to the beehive, and then they drop their honey there, and then they just keep working.
Wow.
And that's how you keep it healthy.
Sophia's garden box. And we planted this on May 9th.
Yep.
So it's not even a month old.
And
look
it's
at how huge they are.
Every day, I always come out here like either before or after my breakfast before I go to school. other kids is you can watch somebody who knows how to garden, and then maybe you can have a garden teacher that can help you. And then when you get used to it and you can memorize it, I think you should plant your own things, water them like you saw, and then I guess maybe your plants will grow. But if you get them like that plants that were already in a pot, and you can just plant them in, but if you actually get seeds, you have to take extra good care of them so they would grow.
Well, that is our episode from Stella and Sophie's garden, and we'll do another update in maybe another month or so, and they can tell us how many tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, and strawberries they got.